Hello, fantastic coders. Welcome back to Kredict, and I am Krishna Sharma. Today we are talking a deep dive into three essentials with HTML tags: H1, image tag, and A tag. And what is A tag? It is a anchor tag. These tags are like the building blocks of web development, adding structure, visuals, and navigation to your web page. So let's get ready to master these HTML superheroes. So our first is understanding heading tags. So it is, let's start with heading tags, the H1 to H6 tags. They are crucial for organizing content hierarchically. Think of them as the title or subtitle of your web page. So this is our example. We will understand all the topic with the example. Let's go to index file and just use the emit power. Just write exclamation mark and enter. So we will write here in the title heading, image, and anchor tag. So in the body I will just paste my example. Here you can see that we are using h1 tag, h2, h3. This is h1 and this is main heading, and h2 is subheading 1, h3. I just write h3. You can use up to h6 of the, just I write h4. Here we write credit. We have h5. I will write credit. I have s6, and this is my very less important heading. And we have this paragraph tag. Just remove this and I will show the difference between 1 to 6 hashtags. Let's see. Just click to go to live and you will see this. This is our h1, this is h2, this is h3, this is h4, this is h5, and this is h6. h6 is very less important and h1 is most important. So let's see our next topic. Our next topic is image tag. This is very interesting, working with image tag. Now let's move on to the image tag. This tag allows us to incorporate images into your web pages, making visually appealing and engaging. So let's see the example of image tag. Just go to index html and remove this, and we will see the example for image tag. We have to just write image and just enter. Here the source and alt. If the image is not loading on your web page, you have to just show the some text. So you will show just this is image tag, and you can see now I am not giving the source. Just see, this is image tag because I don't give the source, so image is not loading there. So I have just downloaded some image for using in the web pages, so I just give the path. So you have to just write the name image.1 and you will see here image is coming on the web page. This is very interesting, and here you have the two attributes to give and resize your image. You have height. You can see I will give the 100 pixel height, is very resizable. I can give 500. You can see if I give width, this is our good practice to give only one attribute because it will otherwise squeeze. So you can just remove the height and give the width 200. So you can see this is very good. And if you don't want to download the image, you just want to use, so just you have to give the source. So just go to some website, like I will go to sample Kredict. So I want to use, just see, I want to use this image, this one image. So just go and copy image address and go to here and just paste it in the source path, and you can see your image is coming. I don't downloaded it, but we are rendering on our web page with using copy image address. So just go to our next topic, which is anchor tag. Next up, the A tag, also known as anchor tag. This tag is all about creating links within the web page or linking into an external site. So just take its example because the HTML is only understandable using example, it's not a theory. Just go here and paste the example. Here, yeah, let's write A and click enter. You have the anchor tag, and here you have to write the source of the link. Just we will see this is our example website. You have to just write any like you can write our website is credit, so you can give the credit and just write go to credit, and you can see here go to credit. Just click it, you are at the credit. If you want to open your web page in another website, you just give the one attribute target black, and you can see this is opening in the another page. So just I think you understand the anchor tag also. So I encourage you, take you what you learned today, apply it hands on, open your text editor, create your own web page, experiment with different headings, images and links, and more practice you, the more confident you will become. Congratulations, you have just mastered the H1 tag, image tag and anchor tag. These tags are very essential tools for any web developer. If you found this video helpful, give it thumbs up, subscribe to Credit and hit the notification bell. Stay tuned for more coding adventure. Until next time, happy coding. I will see you in our next video.